Do you know how to install the Microsoft Office? Yes? No? All right. I will teach you how. But before that, I will show you first my version 2019, the MS 2019, that currently installed in my computer. Yes, that's activated. And I also have this 2016 version. So now, we need to uninstall this first before we install a new version, the MS 2021. Right? So first, go to Core Control Panel. And then uninstall program. And look for the Microsoft. Just double click and uninstall. Alright? After that, okay. So refresh here. Then done. Close this one. Again, close this one. Alright, first thing you do is open your browser and then go to this link, the Office Deployment Tool. Office Deployment Tool. The English, you cannot change it, and then download. After the Office Deployment Tool, you need to look at the description again and click the link of the Office Customization Tool. Yes, the Office Customization Tool. And you need this also. You need to choose the operating system, whether it's 64 or 32 bits. So if you don't know how to change it, just go to the settings and the system and about, and you can see here all your PC information, and there 64-bit. Alright, so that is you are 64. That is how you can check whether you are 32 or 64 bits. Okay, so before we install the deployment tool, yes, this deployment tool, now we need also this Office Customization Tool, 64-bit, and the Office Switch. Office Switch. We are going to choose this Office 2021, the volume license. Office 2021 volume license. And then the project, also the Professional 2021 volume license. Click that. And skip that one. So it's the same. Of course, the latest version. So leave us like that. Language. Need to change the language into English. And then I think no more. Just click next. The important is the project name and the language. only those two you can change. So leave those default there. So leave this. So don't do anything here. Just finish, and then you click export there or here. Just keep current setting and click OK. License agreement, and then export. All right. Now you can see to download the configuration XML. It's the Office Estimation tool, and the other one is the Office Deployment tool. So now we are here in the download area. Click the Show in Folder, and then you can see the highlighted there. And then cut. Oh, I should cut it, but cut or copy. Then go to the C drive, right click, and create new folder. Rename it to MS Office 2021. Just like that. And then open it, just paste, and then this one also. You can see the highlighted there. You can right click and cut. Then go to C drive. So paste it here again together with the deployment file. So Office 2021. So paste here. Now we need to expand the Office deployment application. You need to open this one to accept the license agreement or whatever they say. So continue. Open the PC, C drive, and then the name of the folder. Then OK. And we have separated the license terms and agreement. So you need to minimize this or close it. That's OK. So we go to CMD. If you don't have the CMD there, you just go to search bar and type CMD. You can see it here. Then run as administrator. There. Then just copy what the code that I have been created here. If you like the 2019, if you download the 2019, then take 2019. So I will take this 2021. Copy and paste it here, and then click enter. Then after that, you copy this configuration XML. Copy and paste it here again. Then click enter. And there, Microsoft Office is installing. Okay? And then it's done. We have to wait this red line to finish. Okay, then close. just close all of this. Now we're going to find the new installed Office. So open this Word file, and you can see our account is there. Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021. All right. All right. It's very nice. 2016 is still here. And this is 2021. 2019, no more. So that's okay. I can reinstall it if I want. So, see? Okay. Anyway, thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye bye.